Welcome back, Austin here, and in this video we're going to be talking about the AI Studio. Now, my goal when I was doing this is to make this module as hands-off as possible. In other words, make it autopilot. But I quickly found out that a lot of the publishing platforms that we are using do not have publicly available API integration. So out of those platforms, just 3 of them have a publicly available API integration, and those are WordPress, Tumblr, and LinkedIn. So the rest of them don't, and you will be able to publish on autopilot on these 3 platforms, but the rest of the platforms we're going to have to manually publish the content. So that's one thing, and the other thing is that this is yet another way of bringing content into our publishing area, the dashboard. So let's do a quick walkthrough of the AI Studio. So I'm gonna go back here and get a keyword. I've been playing with the golf niche. So let me look at our keyword cluster, and I'm gonna pick the best budget golf drivers. Okay, let's do quality golf drivers under $100. So let's pick that one. Go back to AI Studio. I was already playing with this earlier. So I'm gonna paste that in here. That's our keyword. And we are targeting beginner golfers. Now this button here, you have to toggle it on for it to run on autopilot. And so when the niche research agent is done doing the research is going to pass it on to the content generator, and when that agent is done, it's going to pass it on to the publishing agent, and that's how your content gets published to your different publishing platforms. So we get our keyword, we toggle this on, and all we have to do is click on this, and then once it starts running, you can just walk away, go do whatever you want to do, and it will publish by itself to those 3 platforms. You don't have to sit and watch it. Just turn it on and walk away. Every now and then, it is going to tell you what it is doing at the bottom here, or how far in the process it has gone. Okay, now it's done generating, and it generated for WordPress and for LinkedIn. And usually the Tumblr, for some reason, doesn't persist in the connection module. So what I normally do is, I didn't do that in this demo here. What I usually do is go to my connection and click on Tumblr and allow. Now it's connected. So if I go back and run this again, it will publish on those all 3 platforms. So let's just, yeah, for some reason, Tumblr is fond of disconnecting itself. And I don't know why it does that, but it does. And the only way is just to go back to your connections, click on that button, and it reconnects. So let's give it a few more moments to finish processing. So let's go back here. I'm going to connect WordPress. Approved. Connected. Tumblr. Connected. Now I'm gonna have to get my login for LinkedIn, and it is connecting. It's successfully connected. So now let's go back and run the app. We still have our keyword in there, so I'm just gonna click on start again. It's probably a good idea to just go to connect and just click on these three different buttons and reconnect before you start running the agent. That way, you are good to go. Okay, I think I interrupted the process. So I'm gonna click that again. The other error that you might encounter with this other modules is when you run out of credit, and all you have to do is send me an email, and your credit will be replenished. And so there's no reason to fret about it. So well, when you start running low, you can send me an email, and your credit will be replenished. I just want to mention that. So there was a lot here telling us how far it has gone. I think it's almost done. Okay, now it's complete, and we have all three platforms published. So normally when that happens, all you have to do is go to the connection, click on those three buttons, and you'll be good to go. So let's see what the content looks like. I'm gonna right click on that and click this to open in a new tab. So we still have our tab open. 5 best golf drivers under $100, affordable choices for beginners. Here, I think we can delete this. So if you are in your WordPress blog, you can click on edit and delete this. That way you just have one big one title, one header. So that's WordPress. The other one is LinkedIn. That's LinkedIn 5 quality golf drivers under $100, a beginner's guide. So that's LinkedIn. And the other one is Tumblr. Right click, open in a new tab. Click on home. That's our article right here. It didn't quite format it well, so you can go to your edit and kind of insert line breaks and make it cleaner. But I'm gonna do this on a code level, so hopefully before you get here, that would have been done. But that's Tumblr, and what else I want to mention here? So again, you can only publish on these three platforms on autopilot. The rest you have to do manually. The other thing I want to mention is that your draft will be saved. Here you can get your draft from this button, or you can get your draft on the saved content page, or right here. So you click on this, and it opens up your draft. So we are looking at 5 best golf drivers under $100, affordable choices for beginners. Now from here you can move this content to the dashboard, and from there you can publish to these other different platforms that we couldn't publish on autopilot. You can view the content here, and you can generate infographics if you want to create some images for this here. So I'm going to generate some infographics, prompt for infographics. So you copy your prompt and take it to DALL-E, OpenAI's DALL-E, or you can take it to Google's Nano Banana or Midjourney, any of the image generation platforms, and you can generate your image. I was doing something on Nano Bananas a minute ago. Okay, so this is Nano Bananas, and this is from ChatGPT. I like the ChatGPT better. Usually Nano Bananas does a better job, but this one, ChatGPT, is really is good. So I'm gonna download this, even though I'm not doing anything in the golf niche right now. So I'm just gonna download it and keep it. That here, it looks really nice. And what else I wanna say here? There we move to generator. So I'm going to click on this and move that content over to our generator. So now it's over here, 5 quality golf drivers under $100. And from here we can do like we have always done, publish to the platforms that are available to us over here. We can generate, humanize it, rewrite it, and make it different and publish it again. So it's like you have an endless supply of content. You can generate some more clusters. That way you have new keywords to publish with. What else? That's about it. Just exactly the same thing that we have done in the other videos. From here going forward, it's exactly the same thing. So I want to thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. All right, thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.